Thank you. I came to see the Minister of Foreign Affairs first to pay my courtesy visit. This is my second time that I'm meeting him this year, so I wanted to see him before the end of the year. Also to discuss the Joint Steering Committee. This is a committee that is we set up between the government of Timor-Leste and the United Nations for us to review collectively how the United Nations is, one, to agree on what the United Nations should be doing in Timor-Leste and to make sure that they are aligned to government's priorities, and then secondly, an opportunity for government to also review what we are doing. And earlier this year, we did an evaluation of the work in Timor-Leste and also to present the findings of the evaluation. So the steering committee meeting is happening next week, and so I wanted to brief the minister about it. The DG, Multilateral Affairs, and the DG Ministry of Finance are the ones leading the conversation, so I wanted to brief the Honourable Minister about it. So that was the main discussion point with the minister, and the minister was very happy, wants to see more of the work that we do as the UN, is very collaborative, and also some of the events that have happened in Portugal, the UN meeting that he went for on advanced civilizations, and also the UN General Assembly that he accompanied the Prime Minister to in September in New York.